Welcome into this video where I'm going to be going over what the Contractor Authority Funnel is, all of the strategies behind it, and what I'd like for you guys to do is steal it. If you don't already know who I am, you haven't seen any of my content on Instagram or YouTube, my name is Noah Arnold. I help flooring companies and flooring business owners grow their business from maybe doing 3, 4, 5 jobs a month inconsistently and grow to 10 to 15 jobs per month consistently. No such thing as slow months, proven methods. If that kind of sounds like you, click the link below. Let's schedule a one-on-one chat where we can sit down and talk together. I'll dive more into your situation and really see if out of the services that we offer, if any of them work for you. Okay? With that being said, let's dive right into this. The Contractor Authority Funnel, CAF. Let's jump right into it. Top part right here. This is all done organically. Okay, so this is where you are building this brand awareness. Okay, so you're getting people and prospects aware of your brand. Okay, so you have a company, you have a brand. You need to get people aware of it, okay? Step 1 of marketing. People need to be aware before they purchase, obviously, okay? This also builds your authority, okay? This positions you as an authority in your industry. So people, if they have any questions around flooring, they'll come to you. You build that authority, post some to-dos, post some DIYs, give free value to your prospects who are possibly going to become a customer. Give free value. Just position yourself as the authority figure, right? Claim that authority figure. And like I said, this is all done organically. Okay, so organic means free. This has no money into it. This doesn't cost a penny. Okay, all it costs is maybe your time. Unless you have a social media manager, you can outsource it, right? All it costs is time. Okay, this brings in views, right? This brings in eyeballs for free organically, where then you can input a CTA. So a CTA is a call to action. I'll actually link a video right here where you can check. I'll put it in the description as well. But I talk about what a CTA means and also what all the advertising words mean. Copy, creative, targeting, all of that, okay? So definitely check that video out if you are looking into learning more about advertising and marketing and really just want to wrap your head around the whole thing. But yes, so a CTA is your call to action. This is what you're calling your viewers, what you're telling your viewers to do, okay? This brings in follows and possibly even clients. Okay, this is all organic, so none of this is guaranteed. This is you beginning the process of building this Contractor Authority Funnel. This is the top portion. All right, down here we have advertising and nurturing. Okay, so advertising is when you're actually paying for eyeballs to come in to your content, right? So you have content marketing and targeted marketing. I'll get into targeted marketing in a little bit, but this is more into content marketing where you'll boost a post on your Instagram and you're bringing eyeballs in that actually want to see what you have to post. You're bringing eyeballs in where then you nurture these eyeballs. So nurturing means you don't just stop posting as soon as these eyeballs land on your page and you get the followers. You continue posting value, giving free value, letting people know what it is that you provide, LVP, hardwood, engineered, refinishing, whatever the case may be, right? Continue nurturing, just keep posting, keep positioning yourself as the authority figure. Okay, hopefully I'm getting this across. And then we run retargeting ads. Okay, so retargeting ads is where we're retargeting people who haven't fully completed the funnel, right? They maybe got to the CTA portion or they followed, but they haven't purchased. They haven't become a customer quite yet. Okay, so the retargeting ad grabs these people who are right here, brings them right back up into the top of the funnel. Okay, retargeting ads, it's in the name, you're retargeting the people who haven't completed the funnel. Okay, this itself brings in provenly views, right? You're paying for views. You're paying for the people who view your videos to then listen to your CTA, right? The more people you have listening, the more people will listen to your CTA, right? Or the more people you have watching, the more people who will listen to your CTA. Okay, like I said, your CTA is your call to action. For example, your call to action could be check the link in my bio and book in a free estimate, or just shoot me a follow and go through my content, or DM me the word floors and we'll come to your place and do a free estimate, right? You get inquiries of actual prospects who want to be doing work with you privately. They're not coming through Thumbtack. They're not coming through a GC or a realtor. They're coming to you privately, right? Because you're running advertising, you're boosting content marketing to get these inquiries, all right? This automatically means you're getting clients, okay? This will get you clients, or this will get you jobs, right? Next, we have landing page, job generation, and qualifying. Okay, so the landing page is what you'll need once you start actually bringing in eyes. If you have this beforehand, it's even better, but you need a place for people to land other than just your social media presence. So whether that be an Instagram page or a lead form, you need a place in your bio where you can say, click the link in my bio. That is technically what a landing page is, okay? Job generation is where we get into targeted marketing like I just talked about. So targeted marketing, targeting a specific demographic, a specific age, gender, their interests, right? You're targeting people who are interested in the service that you are willing to provide. Okay, you're not going to be doing these jobs that you don't want to be doing anymore. Okay, you're not taking any hand-me-down job anymore. You're actually getting jobs that you want to be doing, and you're getting leads that want that job done in their home, in your city. Okay, and then the qualifying process. So the qualifying process is where you have an inbound qualifying process where you have people on the phone at all times calling these leads, making sure they're qualified enough, they have enough money, so you're not getting tire kickers. They're actually willing to go through with the job and follow through. Just because they filled out the lead form doesn't mean they're completely there yet. They need to be qualified. Make sure that they're even serious about getting the job done, right? So this is what the qualifying process does. This books the leads into your calendar for an estimate, right? So these leads go through the qualifying process, weed out the ones that aren't qualified, and book the qualified ones into your calendar, where then you can just drive and go do the estimate, okay? This brings in more leads, okay, with a CTA campaign. So the call to action campaign, whether that be immediately click the link in the bio and book in that free estimate or fill out this lead form. This is an immediate CTA. So this isn't where they have to go to other sites. This is on the page right there, okay? If this doesn't make sense, like I said, check out that video I just talked about, where I talk about all the words and all the meanings. Right. Then we have the call to qualify, okay? So you're calling to qualify these prospects, making sure they're valid leads, okay? You book them in for an estimate, cash money, closed job, all right? And then, like I talked about beforehand up here, we run retargeting ads for these people who don't come into the complete funnel. They don't complete the funnel, right? And they sit right around over here, maybe by the campaign, by the CTA, and they filled out the CTA, but maybe it's a lead form, but they haven't completely turned into a customer, but they're a valid lead, right? This is where we retarget these people and bring them right back into the funnel and continue to nurture them right here, okay? Now down here, this is the scaling portion, okay? This is where we are going to increase ad spend. So we're gonna find the winning ad, whatever ad is winning, we're going to increase ad spend on that. If the ad is winning, you're bringing in 30 estimates a month. Let's say you're closing maybe 15, 12 of these. We're going to increase the ad spend on these, take the profit from one of your jobs, increase ad spend, double, maybe triple, and then you automatically just bring in much more leads, okay? Then you continue to nurture, and we build out your exit plan, all right? So with this consistent stream of leads, there's no such thing as a scarcity of jobs. You don't have a scarcity of jobs. More than likely, you will have too many jobs. So you will need to continue hiring, which goes into your exit strategy, where it goes into outsource, outsource, outsource. I have it mentioned right here as well. But you have an overflowed stream of inbound prospects. Keyword inbound prospects, where these leads are coming inbound to you to then become a customer. Okay, they're not coming through a whole different funnel where you have to bid for the job on Thumbtack and then you may or may not get the job, right? They are inbound to you. They want you to come into their home and do the installation, all right? Then you continue outsourcing. This comes into the exit plan, where you start outsourcing everything. You become the person behind the scenes, the head honcho of the company behind the scenes, and you don't do anything in the field anymore. You just run the back end processes. And maybe you don't run the back end processes. Maybe you just outsource everything, right? And then operational optimization, like optimizing your complete operation so that it's as hands-free as possible for you. Okay, that's the end goal. That is later down the line. Okay, and then leads, jobs. There's no such thing as a scarcity anymore. So what I want you guys to do, I know I talked pretty fast in this video, but I want you guys to take this complete funnel right here and really just try your best to implement all of it. Like, if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at noah.o.arnold. And if you want to sit down and have a chat with me and see what we can do for your business and grow that business from 4 to 5 jobs a month, maybe up to 10 to 15 consistently, and you want to see how it works, you want to see some proof, DM me, click that link below. I hope to talk to some of you guys soon. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.